A Doug Nash W CUDA for $650 on that transmission. I love the lightning shifters here. Of course, they're Hurst, $700. Those are so cool. The Hurst lightning rods. Those are great. 40 bucks for the Hurst. Oh, look at that, Mr. Gasket lockout. Oh, that's great. Another good one. $250 on that. $150 for the B&M with a lockout. Look at this Hurst shifter. $225. Look at the length of that. Oh gosh, I love it. I love it. There's a little pistol shifter right over there. Again, a little Hurst, and that's $175. B&M $125. 200 bucks for the headers. Got the Dynaflows for $125. Holly 600 CFMs, manual choke, and asking 100 bucks. Not bad. Not bad at all. 75 for the other one. Oh, look at the Dodge taillight, 68, 50 bucks. Cool beans. 75 for the brake pedal. Why would you need a brake pedal? Unless you switch over to automatic. The Chrysler taillight lenses, assemblies. You can find such great stuff here. Let's keep going. Really cool stuff here. Service reference books, 8 bucks each. These are from the 50s. All sorts of cool stuff. Tires and wheels, body sealing tips, sealing the body, steering, suspension, service tips. Stuff like that. It's really lots of fun. NOS gauges, temperature gauge, fuel gauge, all that. Amps, such. $35 for the 56 Plymouth temperature gauge. I don't see any other prices. A lot of earlier things here. There's the 46 or 48. That looks like a Plymouth. Yeah, Plymouth. $20. Nice glass. These are just beautiful. Oh, look at the frame. That is great. Someone's going to go nuts. You see that? You should have been here to buy that. Plymouth, $40. $45 for that Plymouth cap. Oh, look at that. Is that beautiful, folks? That's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. The condition's fantastic. This is why you got to get out here. Look at the taillight bezels. I love it. Just love it. Overriders. Come on, you know these things get banged up like mad. These are in beautiful shape. NOS, 65 each. Those are for 39 through 40 Plymouth. Come on, folks. Get out here. 50 through 52 Plymouth Dodge skirts. Oh, the toilet seat right in the center. We all need those. Or if you want to go get it, you can always wear it for a necklace. Torsion bars. These are for 59. DeSoto. Can't quite make it out there. Nice set. Nice set. But look at this stuff. Inside rearview mirror for 59. MOPAR. And radio bezel for 69. I want to catch some of the older stuff here though, because we've seen a lot of the new stuff. Look at that steering wheel, folks. That's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. With the horn ring. Come on, you know yours is broken. It should have been here. 39 Plymouth NOS, 150 on that steering wheel. Let's see what other cool stuff we could find here.